Hi everyone, my name is Christopher Ikechukwu. Today I will be talking about the role of IT manager for today and the future as part of the individual assignment on the course Strategic Management of Information System. This discussion is based on my reflection on the four articles that I have selected, such as value focused assessment of information system security in organization, ethical aspect of managing customer privacy in e-commerce, strategic management of information system, IT functions, the role of the CIO in the Norwegian organization. What makes a great CIO? Since technology changes exponentially, strategic management is an important step in ensuring a stable and long-term viability of our organization. This involves understanding the change in order to further understand the future so as to interpret these technological changes in the right way to enable our organization make the right choice for the future development of IS of the organization. As an IT manager, I undertake the following roles and responsibility to achieve the IS objective that is within the business of my organization. As an IT manager, I am responsible for aligning both the business and the technology together through IT innovative business application to help the organization gain a competitive advantage. This will close the gap between the organization and IT strategy, which is always a major concern. As an IT manager of both people and IT, I am responsible for recruiting IT employees with the needed skill sets and as well retaining of skilled staff. Training of staff for them to acquire a new skill sets that they need for their future. IT budgeting, determination, forecasting, and authorization, etc., etc. As a provider of technological services to the organization and to the different departments, I am responsible for IT awareness, publicity, IT promotion, and internal relations with IT user and management. As an IT manager, I am responsible for strategically planning and organizing information resources in order to achieve optimal implementation of the future. I am accountable and responsible for increasing accountability of our organization's information processing need. I am responsible for documenting the formal IT strategy in a strategic IS plan. I collaborate with other managers in other departments to be able to effectively respond to the business changes. Below are the roles and responsibility of IT manager and on what makes a great CIO from Harvard Business Review points. As an IT manager, I possess leadership skills. As an IT manager, I understand the business of the organization and the industry. As an IT manager, I must be able to attract and retain great employees. I have the charisma, vision, and strategic and relationship skills. I know my competitors as well as my customers. As an IT manager, I hire the best employee with great skill set. As an IT manager, I understand and influence the business strategy as well as identify opportunities where technology can be a competitive advantage for our organization. As an IT manager, I bridge the gap between the business and technology. I provide value to the enterprise by helping it harness its fullest potential using technology. As an IT manager, I communicate the vision of IT and IS to the value chain of my organization. As an IT manager, I face issues in management, and this makes me to prioritize activities and to set agendas based on the priorities. Next, we'll be talking about the role of IT manager on the topic value focused assessment of IS security in organization and ethical aspect of management. The second article, ethical aspect of managing customer privacy in e-commerce. As an IT manager, I will be looking into this in two folds, from technological and soft approach, since each come with different demands and challenges within the confine of information security and strategic management. As an IT manager, I develop checklists. These checklists verifies what can be done, and having a checklist will help me to verify what has been done or what is in place, like authentication, firewalls, encryption, and so on and so forth. As an IT manager, I need to strategically identify all the necessary and technological security checks that needs to be in place in our organization in order to secure the security of our IS. This includes identifying all the threats and vulnerabilities to our IS and to be able to provide solutions on how to overcome the threats identified. With the checklist, I will be able to identify all conceivable threats, the probability of occurrence, and the costs associated with these threats. One thing that I can see as an impediment in actualizing this role is the complexity involving securing the security of our IS, and as well over reliance, which can be harmful to the organization. Complexity in the sense that complexity of the IS will actually hinder our employee in their day-to-day activity, and they might resort to a shortcut to get around it, or even not to engage in the security policy at all. And what this means is it might lead to compromising our IS. So as an IT manager, I am faced with strategic approach in securing the security of our IS and at the same time ease of use by our employee. As an IT manager, I am responsible for conducting the risk analysis in order to identify all security incidents and threats based on the known. This will help me in capturing the frequency of these of the occurrence. With the risk analysis, it will help me in prioritizing our IT investment and also communicate to the different stakeholders on the importance and adherence of security policy. As an IT manager, one of my roles in this approach is to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and data availability of our organization's IS so that unauthorized person or persons both within the organization and outside the organization does not have access to the information that he or she is not allowed to. As an IT manager, I'm responsible for structuring our IS values to help to elicit a more accurate way on what the organization cares about in the IS of the organization. As an IT manager, it is my role and responsibility to strategically minimize IS security incidents in order to protect our organization's information resources. This aspect involves strategically going beyond technical and technological consideration of security and adopting socio-organizational grounded principles and values. It involves the human side of information security, and I'm responsible for raising awareness to ensure raising awareness to end users on the security issues. As an IT manager, I structure information security objective to help employee to understand and know the value with respect to higher security and different problems in understanding the different values. Yep, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed my discussion. Thank you. Bye bye.